Hello, I'm Philip Douglas from Wickham Security here in Kent. We are a family-run business based in the High Street of West Wickham and have been established for over 25 years. We offer a professional all-round security service from intruder alarm installations, locksmith service and the supply and fitting of safes. We are a NACOS Gold accredited company and are members of the Master Locksmiths Association. For burglar alarm installations, we provide a free survey and quotation where we can offer you friendly advice and discuss your security needs. Our shop is always stocked with a wide variety of security solutions. On hand we have working display alarm demonstration boards, so you can call in to see and experience firsthand how simple to use and effective these systems are. All of our customers are very important to us, and as a local company we pride ourselves in providing an excellent backup service with a quick and efficient response. Thank you for watching. For further information please phone 0208 777 8299. Thank you.